Hey guys, it's me Max Chorus, and we have a lot of characters, have cars and die-cast. Each of them sold separately. Here they are. I love them. First one, you have Lightning McQueen with car racer with all the stickers. Chick Hicks. Chick Hicks. For Hicks, the green one. He's really mean. The King, number 43, Dynaco race car. You have Doc Hudson. This one is Ramone. It's a purple. This one you all know is Mater. This one, this is the sheriff. This one is Lizzie, but without the eyes. I don't know where the eyes went, but all the back cars are gone. Here we have Guido and Luigi. This one. Dude, this one is Fillmore. This is Sally. Flo, and she has sparkling paint job. This one is called DJ. This one is called Boost. This one is called Snot Rod. This one is called Wingo. This one is a big one. This is Hummer Sven. I heard in the news where Lightning McQueen was missing. Here we have the angry Sarge. The tractor. The tractor. And his red fire truck is called Red. And I don't know what happened. Alright, like I said, you have all those cars. Just get any of them. Leave a comment and subscribe. See you later. Goodbye.